In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily post up to 20 photos or videos at once in one single Instagram post. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to make sure that we have the latest version of the Instagram app installed. So I'm gonna head over to the App Store and now I'm gonna search for Instagram. Just like that. And here we need to tap right there first to open up Instagram page, and if this button says update, then you need just to click at this button and wait for the update to finish. Once it is done, hit right here and open up the app. After that, tap right here at this plus and make sure that post option is selected here. And now, to be able to choose multiple pictures or videos, first off you need to tap at this button, and after that you can add up to 20 photos or videos just like that, simply by selecting them in that simple way. As you can see, I've already chosen 16 photos. I can add 4 more photos. As you can see, now 20 photos are selected, and then to continue we just need to hit right here at next, and then we can add filters to our photos and edit them just like we always do when creating a carousel post. After that, hit right here at next, and then to share this post just hit right here at this button. That's how it can be easily done, guys, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.